Alright, you guys, so this is real time. Mom, get ready with me. I only have 2% left on my battery, which sucks, but it's just what I have left. So I should have really prepped all of this before. Didn't get a chance to. So now I'm just going to be doing my brows. My hair is a mess. Oh Lord. Is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Defining Moment in deep purple. So I'll be doing colored brows today. And I have to go a little bit, because it's not meant for brows, it's just a line, because you know, when you're doing brows, I kind of have to press down on it. So I'm going to attempt for this to be a talk through. Jalil is sleeping behind me. Can you see him? Sleeping. Jonathan, what is wrong? No. Jonathan, hurry up and come in here, because that is so rich. Jonathan, hurry up and come in here, that is so rich. And you have to go finish your breakfast. You have a horrible cough. You have to go take your medication, so you have to eat. Alright. I know I have not been on recording any tutorials or anything for a very long time. I just feel like you guys get tired of them because... No, so I don't use the white fan. I know, but I'm using the black fan now. I can't just use the black fan while I use the white fan. You're upset?
Yes.
Why? The white fan stronger.
Yeah, and your brother have to get the fan because he gets sweaty, just like you. See how you get sweaty, yes, your brother gets sweaty. And you put in the white fan.
This is in the color 13, and it is from Juvia's Place, their concealer. And this brush I'm using is also from Juvia's. It came in their like pencil, like pomade set for brows. Where's Jonathan? Where's Jonathan? In the living room? Jonathan, go and finish your breakfast. Mama, you go and go get ready, and because if I come with the Jonathan, I don't eat, I go beat him. And now I'm come with the Jonathan, I don't eat, I go beat him. How long has this been? 4 minutes. Wow. Four minutes. Alright, then my foundation is going to be Togo 210 from Juvia's. I do not wear a primer whenever I'm wearing this foundation. I am in love. This and my Huda foundation, I definitely just grab for. I don't use primers with them at all because I don't feel the need to. And I've been using this foundation since they gave it to me. Jonathan, you eat? Okay. You think you never gonna answer me? Hurry up because daddy soon come. Get number 13 again. Zamar. Zam.
One service here, Stacey?
Yeah. My uncle have a first service.
Only first service?
Yeah.
Oh,
Our.
well, when I told him, I don't care. You don't give no sweet tea, like when you have the coffee.
Right, yeah. Me just like to carry one juice, water, one snack. Cause I'm not normally hungry. Only if I stay for 2 service, me need to pack him up a food.
No snack over here.
Yeah man, mommy have snacks for him. The cookie them.
You want
Cookie.
sweet still?
But not a snack in the year. Oh, me can ask Jeremy to carry snack from the house. In my drink. Which buckle? In black buckle? Oh, in black buckle. Oh, you can carry that to church? Oh, okay, alright. In lunch kit, the other house. Oh my god. Everything, yeah. Come, I never planned to sleep over till last night. Mama, that's if I'm gonna see it. I forgot call him. I know it, I don't know. I know that. Him just, I know same probably I go rush for go. Alright. Now for the beauty blender. Your love is kind. Your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much. Oh. Jonathan, you eating? Thank you. Okay, Bobs? Thank you so much. Yo.
that fun how the thing. Next time we're not gonna use that fun again, yeah.
Oh, why? What happened to it?
Because the car turned on when we're trying to turn it on. So next time I'm gonna buy a pretty fan.
So you're gonna buy a fan for us?
No, a pretty fan.
A pretty fan. Thank you so much. You finish your breakfast, you have to go take your medication again. And you hear you coughing?
Yeah, yeah, but my you didn't give me my medication.
You drink them? You take the medication already?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, I didn't know. Alright, where's my phone? Alright, here. Oh my god, that is so rich. Alright, go. You're amazing. Huda Beauty Blondie. Sasha Cosmetic Perfect Spice. You make my life feel bright. Mama, you taking medication already? Okay. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much. Oh. Him Tina done. I'm a game things and done eat. No, Jonathan, pause it and go finish. You hearing me? You hear me? So my foundation is going to look great, and that is because whenever I apply my setting powder, my Sasha setting powder with the beauty blender, it comes out great. I thought it was the lighting, but it is not. It literally comes out great. I did not recognize it until it was too late, you guys. So I'm sorry for the great look that you're about to see. So I have to add everything on my hair, and then I'm actually going to brush my teeth. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Cinnamon? Yes, cinnamon. Fenty Beauty. Yeah, one service. Because I'm take a lighter Kingston. Brought it, but mama, it's lighter cut off a Kingston. Light now cut off for your church too. Light now cut off for your church too. Be rotted.
Oh my God, there's more. Mommy, there's more.
More what? More what? Tell me now.
More this.
Oh, no it's not? Mucus. Okay, go. Yeah man. That's alright, mama. Alright. Okay, I am using hair glue. I've been using hair glue for a while now. I don't know, it lasts long. I know it's ghetto, but I mean, it lasts for the entire day. I can literally go swimming with these lashes on and they will not budge. I know, because I've done it. I did a vlog about going to Mystic Mountain, and I'm telling you, Mystic Mountain isn't it? I think so. The one way to the sky something. And I'm telling you, I went into the pool and my lashes did not come off. They were on.
Mommy.
Yes, handsome?
Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy, I know for church in there so yeah.
Oh, okay. Because why it going to hurt me?
Yeah, and then if you put your finger in there, what will happen?
It gonna hurt me.
No.
What?
Dead.
Oh my god. Okay. So this is CoverGirl again. Full coverage, full spectrum, blackest black. Alright, so let me put this in my hair. Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. Oh my god, it's a mask. Oh lord. Well, I thought it was a like cream thing, like a curl thingy. So my makeup is done. I don't even know how this is going to look. Oh my gosh. Line cover. Oh my god, is that the ride? Hope not. Oh my god. Oh. I thought it was the ride, but it's not the ride. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. Alright, I'm going to brush my teeth. Alright, so for my lips, I'm just going to take some Blistex, and this is what I would typically do for my lips. Just a Blistex and her. I'm doing these quick glams. So this is it. This is the look. Full mom glam. Lashes, contouring, highlights, everything. My hair. Yeah, I'm happy. Anyway, I'm rushing, as you guys can tell, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your support, you guys, for being patient with me, and yeah, I'm coming back.